Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings and go to the display and brightness. Now, after you're here, make sure to adjust your brightness. You guys can do it up to yourselves. Make sure that you remember to turn off the auto brightness because it will basically set up the highest brightness that is acceptable. So for example, it will set it like that instead of you keeping it like that. Now, what else can you guys do is scroll down here and you will have the screen refresh rate. Now you can use it to auto select, but you guys can try the standard one, so it will lower your refresh rate to 60 Hz to, as you guys can see, preserve the battery. And of course, it can also get rid of the flickers, because the higher the refresh rate, then it can basically make your screen flicker a lot. Now, after that, what you guys can do as a last resort, go over into the system and update and check for software updates. If you're not running the latest version of the software, just like me, then you can have a lot of glitches on your device, and you definitely do not want that, because in latest versions, everything is almost fixed, so there's no old glitches. Now, as a final last resort, what you guys can do is go to backup and reset, and also system and update. Go to backup and migrate first. Make sure that you create either a local backup or clone the phone to another device, and then click reset phone. Here you will click erase all data and then click on clear. After you do that, your phone will simply reset to factory settings and you will have a fresh system. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.